Imagine having a personal assistant available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. An assistant that can write emails, help you start a business, create content, generate ideas, study with you, build marketing plans, and even help you organize your life. That is exactly what artificial intelligence is doing for millions of people around the world right now. But when it comes to AI tools, two names dominate the conversation: ChatGPT and Claude AI. The question is, which one is better? And more importantly, how can you use these tools to improve your life, make more money, become more productive, and gain a competitive advantage in 2026? In today's video, we're going to compare Claude AI and ChatGPT side by side and reveal practical ways ordinary people are using AI to transform their lives. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, freelancer, employee, or someone simply looking to stay ahead of the curve, this video could completely change how you work and live. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is an AI assistant developed by OpenAI. It can write content, answer questions, create business plans, generate marketing ideas, analyze documents, help with coding, research topics, create social media posts, brainstorm business ideas. Millions of users rely on ChatGPT daily because it combines creativity, reasoning, productivity, and powerful research capabilities in one platform. Think of ChatGPT as a versatile digital partner that can help with almost every aspect of modern life and business. Claude AI is developed by Anthropic. Claude has become extremely popular because of its ability to handle long documents and provide thoughtful, detailed responses. Many users appreciate Claude for document analysis, academic research, report writing, long-form content, strategic thinking, business planning. Claude often feels like you're having a conversation with a thoughtful consultant. 1. Content creation. Winner: ChatGPT. ChatGPT excels at YouTube scripts, blog posts, sales copy, email marketing, social media content, creative writing. Content creators often prefer ChatGPT because it generates engaging and highly adaptable content. 2. Long document analysis. Winner: Claude. If you're reviewing books, research papers, contracts, reports, business proposals, Claude often shines because it handles large amounts of text exceptionally well. 3. Business planning. Both tools are excellent. ChatGPT is stronger at generating creative business ideas and marketing strategies. Claude is often stronger at deep analysis and structured thinking. The best entrepreneurs actually use both. 4. Learning and education. It is a tie. Students can use either AI tool to understand difficult concepts, create study notes, generate quizzes, summarize books, improve writing skills. The real winner is the student who learns how to ask better questions. 5. Making money online. Winner: ChatGPT. ChatGPT provides tremendous support for affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, digital products, freelancing, online stores, email marketing. It acts like an entire marketing department in your pocket. Now let's talk about the most important part. How can AI actually improve your life? Here are 10 practical ways. 1. Start a side hustle. AI can help you find profitable niches, create business plans, write product descriptions, build marketing campaigns, research competitors. Many people spend weeks planning a business. AI can help you create a solid roadmap in hours. 2. Launch a YouTube channel. As many of you know, YouTube remains one of the best opportunities online. AI can help with video ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions, keyword research, thumbnail concepts. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can focus on creating. 3. Write and publish books. AI can help authors generate outlines, organize chapters, conduct research, improve grammar, create marketing plans. Many successful self-publishers are already integrating AI into their workflows. 4. Learn new skills faster. Want to learn coding, digital marketing, graphic design, business management, investing? AI can act as your personal tutor. You can ask unlimited questions and receive explanations tailored to your learning level. 5. Save hours every week. Most people waste time on repetitive tasks. AI can help automate email writing, meeting summaries, research, content creation, scheduling. Imagine saving 5 to 10 hours every week. That's over 500 hours per year. 6. Improve your finances. AI can help you create budgets, identify unnecessary expenses, explore investment strategies, build savings plans. Think of it as a financial brainstorming partner. 7. Create digital products. AI can help create ebooks, planners, worksheets, templates, online courses. Digital products can become long-term income streams. 8. Improve your career. AI can help you rewrite your CV, prepare for interviews, learn workplace skills, draft professional emails. Many professionals are already using AI to become more productive and valuable at work. 9. Build a personal brand. In today's economy, your personal brand matters. AI can help you create content, plan posts, generate ideas, build authority. Your knowledge can become an asset. 10. Become more organized. AI can help manage daily schedules, goals, projects, habits, long-term plans. Successful people often have systems. AI can help you build those systems. Here's the truth. Most people use AI like a search engine. Successful people use AI like a team member. Instead of asking, give me a business idea, ask, I have £500, 5 hours per week, and experience in customer service. Give me 10 business ideas I can start from home, including startup costs, marketing strategies, and income potential. The quality of your prompts often determines the quality of your results. So, Claude AI or ChatGPT, if you're focused on content creation, marketing, business growth, creativity, making money online, ChatGPT is often the stronger choice. If you're focused on research, analysis, long documents, academic work, strategic thinking, Claude is often an excellent option. But here's the secret. The most successful people aren't asking which AI is better. They're asking how they can use AI to become better. AI is not replacing ambitious people. It's empowering them. The people who learn to work alongside AI today may have a significant advantage tomorrow. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. In the comments below, tell me, are you Team ChatGPT or Team Claude AI? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.